The use of modal verb. Can, cannot, could, could not, should, would, may, might, all of this. It is simple. If you can follow it carefully, please listen. Can is your capacity, is normally used for capacity. For example, I can eat 5 rotis. I can drink 1 cup of milk. Cannot is negative. I cannot eat 10 chocolates. Right? So this is about the capacity. And mostly it is in present tense or in future also. But when we use it in past equivalent, we will say, I could eat 5 rotis yesterday. My capacity, I could eat yesterday, past tense. Then we use could. Could not, I could not eat 5 rotis yesterday. That is the use of could not and in the past tense. That was about can and cannot and could not. Now, in a question form also you can use can. Can I come in? Can I come into the class? This is one way of asking, but this is not so respectful. So avoid that. You can use can with your friends and all, but in a formal session or in a formal meeting, you should use may. May I come in? May I do this work? May I leave now? So that is more formal and you should use it quite frequently. Right? The other form of permission is you may go now. I can give you the permission. You may go now. Right? The past equivalent of may is might. One more example of may you can give. It may rain. There is a likelihood. So it is a possibility you can use also may. It may rain. In the past, you can use might. It might have rained yesterday. You don't know. You were not here. So it might have rained yesterday. He might have come already. He might not have come. He might have gone. There you use might as a past equivalent. The next word is suggestion. Should. Should is a suggestion. You should read English properly. I can give you a suggestion. You should read English carefully. You should do this. Should not. You should not do that. When I suggest you not to do, then you can give a suggestion you should not. We use should there. You should not have done that. This we use in the past. You should not have done that. We use it with the third form of verb. Always use the modular form in the past equivalent form. Might, should, would with third form of verb, V3 form. You should not have done that or this. He should have gone. Right? So done, gone, all are V3 forms. We go to the next one, would. Would is used as a habit also. I would like to tell something. Another example, I would like to eat mangoes. I would like to do this. This is your habit. Second is a probability, a possibility also. They would have gone by now. The train might have come. Is another one. The train would have come. The train would have left. The train would have gone. So this is also a probability. We should use the modal verb carefully. And you can ask questions also. Can I eat 5 rotis? Just take out can. Then the answer is I can eat or I cannot eat. That way you can, may I come in? As a question we have seen this. You should do this. Should you do this? You can ask questions that way also. So these are the ways to make questions and answers using modal verb. Hope it was easy for you to understand. Keep practicing and we see you in the next episode. Bye.